My name is Jay Kathiwala and I'm a social media marketer in a production house. From the beginning I was very fond of social media but actually in the metro cities it was quite a booming thing. One of my friends suggested, like, if you are interested in this, you should properly go and learn. And in middle of that somewhere I just saw the ad that you were running for a free seminar or something. And I attended that 1 hour long seminar and I decided that I should go for this particular thing. The thing was that there were no particular course at that point of time. There were a boom about it, but there was no particular way that we can learn. So I just attended the seminar spontaneously, and in that seminar particularly I saw about Facebook ads, let's just say Instagram content creation, how the whole channel and Google and everything worked. And that actually excited me a lot to learn more in depth. And even after the seminar I was still confused. So what I did, I went home, I searched the web and everything, and then I decided I particularly should learn digital marketing. Brands were booming day by day, and things were transforming from offline to online market. Education journey, I had a gap of around like this, let's just say 2 years. Because of my family condition, I dropped out of my college, then I recontinued the college and everything, and I just graduated in 2018. We had a home business. My sister was running a fabrication business and I was doing with her. But it was like I was not कि मुझे यही करना है. And about the social media and digital marketing, it was like छोटी चीज़ होती है ना कि फ्रेंड को फोटो पोस्ट करनी है तो कंटेंट के लिए आपको मैसेज करेंगे, वो वैसे स्टार्ट हुआ था. तो आई वॉज लाइक मोर कीन टू दैट, एडिट हो गया, कंटेंट कैसे डालना है. And when I attended the seminar and everything took fall into place basically. Actually डाउट तो तब भी था और एक्चुअली आज भी होता है, because in this particular field nothing is permanent, so it is very hard to cope up with the thing. But the pandemic has shown that no matter what is happening, the social media circle will be keep booming and booming regardless the platform. And actually it was like I was not doing a particular job before this, and when I attended the seminar in 2019, then we had a 2-day full workshop regardless that. And after I completed that, उसके भी 3 महीने बाद मेरी जॉब लगी. So in that 3 months I explored more and more जो platforms हमने 2 दिन में सीखे थे. And finally somewhere around in June I got a interview call from a leading agency in Surat only. Like absolutely, like अभी जब होता है, when my friends see me doing all this stuff for brands and everything, they like usually ask me कि like तूने कहाँ से किया था या फिर क्या किया था. So they are always fascinated how I'm working with the brands and I'm now dealing with the everything stuff that is going on currently. मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड सर्कल ऐसे हैं इनके फिक्स जॉब है, जैसे मेरी भी है, but they were at home and I was working at home. So that was the difference. It has completely changed my life. Like now today I'm knowing what I'm doing with the brands that I'm handling right now. I know how to take them forward. And आप जब भी किसी ब्रांड के साथ वर्क करते हो तो it is like understanding their business. जितना उनको उनके बिजनेस के बारे में पता है आपको भी होना चाहिए, तभी आप उनको आगे लेके जाओगे. And that thing motivated me. Because जो clients particularly जिनके साथ आप डील करते हो, they have big showrooms, उनके सेटअप्स रहते हैं, और वो जब आपके साथ बैठ के स्ट्रेटेजी डिस्कस करते हैं, that thing pulled me up. It is not just about digital marketing. I have applied almost everything. Like Facebook marketing ले लीजिए, Google marketing ले लीजिए, local SEO ले लीजिए, Instagram ले लीजिए, YouTube ले लीजिए, content writing ले लीजिए. मैंने हर एक चीज़ में कुछ ना कुछ अब तक कर ही लिया है. Thing is that why you should learn, अगर आपका बिजनेस हो या फिर जॉब कर रहे हो, it adds to it. अगर आपका बिजनेस है, आपको पता है, लाइक अगर आपने कोई एजेंसी हायर कर ली है, आपको नहीं मालूम है कि एजेंसी क्या कर रही है, तो वो चीज़ आप कनेक्ट ही नहीं कर पाओगे कि आपकी ब्रांड की इमेज क्या डेवलप हो रही है और योर हाउ ब्रांड इज ग्रोइंग, आपको मालूम ही नहीं पड़ेगा. अगर आप जॉब कर रहे हो, किसी इंडस्ट्री में हो, अगर आपको स्टार्टअप का है लाइक हम सूरत से है तो एक स्टार्टअप चीज़ सब में होती ही है, तो दैट कैन हेल्प यू बूम योर बिजनेस, कि आपको पता है कि कैसे आपका बिजनेस मार्केट करना है, तो दैट थिंग एड्स टू अप। एंड इट वाज लाइक इससे पहले आई वाज डूइंग थिंग्स and now I am teaching other and I am helping my co-mates that how we are doing this or how we are taking this forward. छोटा सा एग्जांपल, जैसे कि मैंने आज तक कंटेंट में लिखता था but it was not like that, and during the pandemic there were videos that were people creating and everything, and one day somehow I decided to write a script and made a video out of it, and SMC contacted me for that particular video, and it is the most viewed video on their Facebook page. It is around something like 60,000 with 60,000 views. Yes, that is the most viewed video, and I was not knowing कि ये इतनी तरीके से हो जाएगा। और जब आपके फ्रेंड्स और रिलेटिव वो लिंक भेज के आपको बता दे कि ये तेरा वीडियो हमने यहाँ पे देखा था या फिर ये चीज़ हमने वहाँ पे देखी है, तो it adds up to it. Actually, it is a process of learning continuously. Currently I am working for a brand as well. Currently I am working for an agency as well. But जब भी मैं घर जाता हूँ, I know कि मुझे कुछ नया सीखना है. Like I just said कि it adds up to your CV, whatever you are thinking. अगर आप एडमिन हैं तो it doesn't mean कि वही चीज़ वहाँ पे रुक जाती है। अगर वो चीज़ आप कुछ नहीं सीखते हो, that will be helpful to you and to your company as well, regardless आप कौन सी भी पोजीशन पे हो. So that thing can take you a whole level up. तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जैसा आपने देखा वैसा ही इम्प्लीमेंट हो जाएगा. यू विल बी ऑलवेज नीडिंग अ मेंटर हु विल बी हेल्पिंग यू स्टेप बाय स्टेप गोइंग फॉरवर्ड. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि मैंने कोई वीडियो या फिर कोर्स परचेज कर लिया तो वहाँ पे मेरी क्वेरी रिजॉल्व होगी. नो, इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट. यू ऑलवेज नीड अ मेंटर who can push you forward, who can help you learn new things in the old version as well. So I'll be saying yes, you will be always needing a mentor. Yes, learning digital marketing was the decision that has transformed my life.